Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ableton Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google and then type in Ableton Live, and we need to go to their website. So it's ableton.com, and then you want to accept here. Then from here, we want to scroll down near the website's footer here, and where it says more, they've got a download section. We want to click into downloads. And then on the top right hand corner, it will say try Live 12 for free. Click onto that link. And now you want to try Ableton Live for free. Get all the features of Live 12 suite for 30 days. So choose which Windows or Mac. So I'm going to choose Windows and click download. And this is going to start downloading to your PC. So it's 2.7 gigabytes in size. So depending how fast your internet connection is, just let it run its course. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once this is finished downloading. Alright, so it's finished downloading, so I'm going to open it up. If it doesn't appear, just go to your downloads folder on your PC. And now what I'm going to do is just drag this folder to my desktop, like so. Now I'm going to click out of my downloads, and now from here I want to right click it, and then I want to extract all, and I'm going to extract it to this destination here. So I'm going to click extract. So here it is here. So now it's going to extract to my desktop. Alright, it's finished extracting, so I'm going to open up the file, and now we want to go ahead and click on the Ableton Live 12 trial installer or installer. Depending on you're watching this, there might be Live 13, 14, etc. So yeah, just run that Ableton Live 12 installer and type application. Then from here, click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click install. Click yes. I'm going to exit out of that. And now what it's going to do is going to create a system restore point, and it's going to go ahead and set up and install Ableton on your PC or laptop.